Hi guys! Good morning everyone! We're going to date with my boss. Today is my day off for my boss. Kamusta? Kamusta ang lahat? Proud to be Filipino kaming mag-asawa. Are you proud, honey? To be Pinoy?
You know, I'm half German, half Danish, half Pinoy.
Where you want to be, to live forever?
Look at my t-shirt and you know it.
Okay. May asawa want in Philippines. Why? Bakit gusto mo sa Pilipinas, honey?
More hot, nice food,
On?
not so mahal like in Germany, more friendly people.
So can you say it in Tagalog?
Not yet.
So you need to learn Tagalog also, honey. When you are in Philippines.
Wait and see.
So. Okay. Laki ng tiyan ko. Nakita ang tiyan ko. Pupunta kami sa where we go, Peter Pan?
Peter Pan.
Pan?
Pain. It's called P-R-N-A.
Peter Pan. Aber Bindu.
You say Peter Pan.
Yeah, Peter Pan. Bindu Gilisin. Pag binasa mo, Peter Pan. Kailangan mag-date para still the love each other. Honey, na? Ora? It's okay also the house when you got married is still dating to your wife or your husband. Ora?
Yep.
This is good. No?
Why does the husband always need to pay?
Huh? The wife.
You pay today? Okay, thank you.
No, you invite me, oh.
You asked for the date.
Okay. Ganun na pala ngayon, guys. Kailangan na ang asawa na ang woman na mag-aas.
Remember, the women want to be equal. That means they also need to pay.
Yeah. Okay guys, see you later. Bye bye. Have a good day. God bless.